Now we're going to go into some sanding techniques, and this wood's going to be gorgeous once we get to pop out of here. So I've had to kind of adjust my speed up and down. If you go too fast, you bounce off and you leave unsanded parts. You go too slow, you don't make much headway. And I'm using Madrone, which is a really cool sandpaper. It's a mesh. So when you get loaded up like this, you just take it and knock it here. Knocks all the sawdust out. And it's on a Velcro backing, and I can do the same with that. But I am up to, what is that, 180? So I'll take a peek at it. Oh, it's looking nice. Look how bright it is now too. But when you're gonna go probably about 340, whatever that is. Here's 240. We're gonna go up to 320 after this. But anyway, we'll keep working this and get it really nice and polished and shiny. I think it's gonna be beautiful when we get done. So I'm gonna go with polyurethane this time because I might want to buff this up and make it a little shinier later. But let's see. Soaking it up big time. Wow. This is thirsty, thirsty, thirsty wood. Let's put some more on here. Oops, getting it on the lathe. Oh well. It always scrapes off. Let's see, let's stop this and just hand rub it. Let's see here. Oh yeah, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that looks good. I started falling in love with it and forgetting I was on camera. And it is soaking up the poly like crazy. I like the hand rub polyurethane because it's thin and it soaks in really well, because I want this wood to be protected because working with it, it's really soft. I forgot to mention, by the way, this is Madrone. It is a great wood, and that's why we did the other videos, because it doesn't crack when you turn it thin. But that is looking good. I'll do the inside and then we'll let it set. I'll probably do a few more coats, maybe buff it a little bit, but that's great.